Hello guys and welcome to the 8th video of the Minesweeper tutorial using Java. What we're gonna do in this video is create a smiley up here for the user to click and reset the game, and if we have plenty of time we're going to add a time counter up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a smiley. So before we do, let's go ahead and create two, sorry, this is Greek, we want English, two public integers, uh, smiley x, let's set it to 0 for now, and a smiley y. Actually, let's make those capitals. Okay, now let's go in our paint component, which is right here, and after everything else, let's go ahead and create, we should be right here, right? No, we should be right here. Yep, this is where the pen component ends, so we're right here. So let's add some comments. Smiley painting. Yeah, okay. What we're going to do is change the color to yellow, unless you want your smiley to have a different color. The original smiley is yellow, so I'm going to make it yellow. You can make it whatever color you like. So let's go ahead now and create an oval. So fill oval. It is exactly the same as the rectangle. It just fills an oval instead of a rectangle. So let's go ahead and add smiley x, smiley y, and I don't know, let's make it, let's say 70 by 70 maybe. Yeah, this should be good. So let's see. Yep, this is big enough. So let's change the coordinates of our smiley. So we want it to be exactly in the middle. We have 80 pixels exactly. So let's make that 5 to place it directly in the middle of the space we have left on top. And let's go ahead and open the calculator to save some time. 1280 minus 70 equals this divided by 2, so 605 pixels. Let's see if this is right, and yep, it is exactly in the center, just like we want it to be. So what we're going to do now, we could place a rectangle around it to create a bottom, or we could leave it as it is and make the oval let the oval be the actual bottom, and that's actually what we're going to do. So let's put a smile on that face, and also let's put some eyes. Let's go back down to our paint component right here, change our color to black, and fill oval again. Let's see. Our eyes should be 70, so let's say 10 by 10. And let me think for a second. Let's go ahead and copy that. This should be, let's say, smiley y plus, let's say, 15 pixels under the top of the head, and let's say smiley x plus 15 again, but this time it's going to be 70 minus 15, which is 55. So smiley x, sorry, my bad. Let's go check it out. Something's wrong here. Let's go ahead and make those 20s. Let's make that 50. So I like this one more, but this should be like 40 maybe. Too close to each other. Let's make that 15 again and 45 maybe. Yep, this is great. And now what we have to do is create a smile. We are going to create actually, let's go ahead and create a boolean value. Public boolean is or actually happiness, and set it to true for start. Okay. Well, now in case our face is happy, that means we haven't lost yet, it's going to smile. In case it is not happy, it's going to be sad. So let's go ahead and paint all this stuff on the face on our JFrame window. So if happiness is true, then go ahead and do what you gotta do. Else, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and put a smile on that face. So what we're going to do is draw 3 rectangles. Let's go ahead and say fill rect, and it's going to be smiley x, smiley y, and let's say the width is going to be 30 and the height is going to be 10. But we want to be, let's say, 50, not 54 pixels. Let's try that. This is way too thick. Let's make that 5. Nope. Let's make that 55. Yep. That's much better. But let's try 50 as well. And place it in the center. This is 30 out of 70. Let's say 20. Yep. Now you can see it's not really happy. We have to add two more small squares on the top left and top right corner. So this is now like an awkward face, or I don't really know. So let's go on and make it smile. So maybe this should be 55 actually. Let me see. No. 50 is better. Yep, 50. So let's go ahead, copy that, because we're super lazy. Not really, but yeah, kind of. And what we're going to do is make both of these 5 by 5 and make them go 5 pixels to the top and 5 pixels to the left, 41, and 45 to the right. So this should be like 60. Let me see. No, 60 is too much. Is it 50? Yep, this is 50. So yep, our face is now smiling. So what we are going to do in case let me see if this can get a little better. Let's say 48 here and 17 here. Yep, this is just perfect. So let's copy that, and what we want to do now is make this go to the top, meaning 5 pixels to the top, and those two little squares 5 pixels to the bottom. So let's go ahead and make this one 45 and those two, not 56, 50, sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead and change the happiness to false. Sorry, let's run this, and now our smiley is a sadie. Our face is sad. If we change it back to true, to happiness, it is smiling again. So whenever the player loses, we're going to change the happiness to false, and right when he resets the game, happiness is going to be true again. Okay, what we're going to do next is, yeah, we should have, no, we don't really have enough time. I'm going to do it in the next video. In the next video, guys, we're going to add a timer right here. It's going to be one of the coolest things you have done so far if you are uh, a new programmer or new at Java or anything. We're going to make that count, and whenever we click on the smiley, we're going to reset the game and the timer as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.